Hello, my name's Travis. I'm with Electronic Transfer, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate your EPN mobile card reader with EPN Mobile app on your phone. First, you're going to go to the Play Store if you're on Android, and then you're going to type in EPN Mobile. You're going to find the EPN Mobile icon, and you're going to install it. Mine's already installed, so I'm just going to click Open. From there, you're going to click the menu button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to select Settings. You're going to want to turn your mobile card reader on. You're going to press and hold the power button, and then it'll go from blue to green to red. You're going to select card readers. This one is a Premier Verify SCN. It's going to show the serial number of the unit, which is printed on the back. You're going to select that, and it says your device has been saved. Click OK. Now you can run a test transaction. You're going to go ahead and click the menu button. Select Terminal, and then put in an amount. We're going to do $1. Hit the next button. You're going to select Swipe. It's going to ask you to confirm and pair. You're going to select Pair. And this is where you can insert or tap your card. And then from there, cardholder can sign on the screen. You can put an email address in here. And that will send the cardholder the receipt. Transaction is processing. And it's approved. And you've completed the sale. And if you have any questions on anything, you can contact our office at 800-757-5453.